amazing today. It's in May. What is today? The 6th? No, it's 5th, 6th. I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen. But it's cold. We've had 2 days in 80. Today we're only like, it says 54 out here. I thought we were going to get in the 60s. Brr. It's not even 1 o'clock, so it's closer to noon. Let's check out the containers and what the wind and the cold has done to these, because we've had 2 days in 80 and now we're kind of up and down a little bit. Let's go check it out. The wind has knocked over quite a few. It hasn't killed it, but look at that. We've got quite a bit of damage on our peppers. So I think the best way to handle this is going to get a wire hanger that will actually click it down a little bit better. This one you can tell was left on overnight because there's not as much damage. These are fish peppers. Let's look at this other fish pepper. The bottom leaves are starting to get really scary. And this one just totally knocked over. We've got lots of wind right now, cold temps, lots of cold rain, which sometimes rain helps, doesn't make it worse. Because it kind of insulates the roots. Here's some geraniums. Those don't look too bad at all, actually. This one is one that kept it on. So it's, I think, might look better. This one got knocked over. Look. I don't think we're going to have that one. Oh, sad. It was so beautiful, too. This one's showing quite a bit of damage. Let's look in these. These didn't get knocked over. They're nice and sturdy. Let's see what they've done to our tomatoes. Oh, they look great. A lot better. Wow. Okay, I like these. What about this? So we've got, that one looks good. That one looks good. Those look like they might not make it at all. So it was saying that our lows weren't going to go down very high, but the warm weather stuff's not loving it. I meant low, you know. Look at that sad thing. Oh, lipstick pepper. I have some more in the house. This is just an experiment. Some more tomatoes. Ooh, this one doesn't look too bad. That lipstick pepper's looking really good. Look at the humidity kept around these tomatoes. Can you see a tomato in there? This one did pretty good. Can you even see in there? Sorry, I can't see. It's too cold. I can't see. It's too cold. Does that make sense to you? Okay, so these peppers are looking sad. All right, one more to look for. Right here. Not too bad. That one might bounce back. The peas love life. So there's my first update to this experiment over here. And of course it came on a cold day. I'll do another video when it's nice and hot and see what it's doing to it. Because some of those really white leaves might be more burn than freeze. But, okay. It's starting to rain pretty good again. See you later. Bye.